Come test drive the 2010 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, anti-lock brakes, anti-lock braking system, traction control, third row seat, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, climate control, multi-zone, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.